Today, we're diving into the latest innovation from Samsung, the Galaxy Ring. This smart ring is poised to shake up the wearable tech space, and we couldn't be more excited to share our first impressions with you. Samsung's foray into the smart ring market brings with it the company's engineering prowess and deep pockets, making it a formidable contender against existing players. So let's get started. The Galaxy Ring has finally arrived, and it's creating quite a buzz. Much like Frodo's unforgettable encounter with the One Ring, my first experience with the Galaxy Ring was nothing short of memorable. As someone who finds smartwatches a bit intrusive for 24/7's health and fitness tracking, the Galaxy Ring feels like the perfect solution. It offers the functionality of other smart rings while keeping me firmly within the Samsung ecosystem, making it a well-rounded product. I found full my precious for the Galaxy Ring, and it's easy to see why. The ring boasts a sleek, jewelry-like appearance with its concave design and variety of finishes: titanium, black, silver, and gold. From a distance, it looks just like a stylish piece of jewelry, making it discreet and attractive. It's incredibly light and comfortable to wear, making it ideal for sleep tracking if, like me, you find smartwatches cumbersome to wear to bed. The Galaxy Ring excels at what it's supposed to do without requiring constant input from you. It seamlessly collects various health and fitness metrics and sends them to the Samsung Health app. Here, the magic of Galaxy AI comes into play, providing detailed insights on sleep, activity, heart rate, workouts, and even personalized wellness tips. The Samsung Health app is well designed, making it easy to understand the data and take necessary actions to improve your health. One significant advantage the Galaxy Ring has over competitors like the Oura Ring is that there is no subscription required to access the full range of data and insights it provides. Everything the Ring tracks and the subsequent data processing are available for free through the Samsung Health app. Its comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities, combined with Samsung's user-friendly app, make a strong contender in the smart ring market. Excited to get your hands on the Galaxy Ring? Pre-orders are open today, and the device will be released on July 24. Prices start at $399, making it a competitive option in the smart ring space. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Ring? Are you excited about this new addition to Samsung's lineup? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we have something super exciting for you. We're going to take a close look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 design, revealed through some close-up dummy unit shots. If you're a fan of foldable phones, you definitely don't want to miss this. Let's jump right in. Earlier this month, we got our first glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 through a dummy unit. These initial images gave us a sneak peek at some design aspects, but today we have even clearer and more detailed images courtesy of Ice Universe. Let's break down what these new images reveal about Samsung's upcoming foldable flagship. First off, let's talk about the size. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 appears to be noticeably wider than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This increase in width means both the outer and inner displays will be larger. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.